Good morning, students. Welcome to your social science class. Students, till now in this chapter, Development of Civilization, we have seen that the early civilizations flourished or developed on the bank of the rivers. And due to the experimentation of man, he became able to produce a new metal called bronze. And this new metal, bronze, is stronger and more durable than copper and tin. So let's continue the same chapter. Hence, it helped the man to make better tools and implements to increase the efficiency and production. So students, by using bronze metal, the man is in better position to make good and sharpened tools and implements which he can use in the production activity. And by using bronze tools, definitely the production will increase. Moreover, this period saw the development of new skills and crafts. Students, in this period, some new skills and crafts were also developed. The village settlements started exchanging goods. It means, students, the village people, they started exchanging goods from one person to another person, and that is known as barter system of exchange. Students, make sure that when we are exchanging goods from one person to another person instead of money, that system is known as barter system. The progress in the field of trade and growth of cities led to the rise of civilizations. So students, due to the exchange of goods, which is known as barter system, there was a development of trade, means market, and development of big cities, which ultimately becomes the base for civilizations. Remains of ancient civilizations have been found in Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia means modern Iraq, southern Turkey and eastern Syria, Egypt, China and India. So basically, students, the ancient civilizations are Mesopotamian civilizations, Egyptian civilization, Chinese civilization and Indian civilization, which is also known as Harappa or Indus Valley civilization. The study of civilizations enriches our knowledge. So why we are studying these ancient civilizations, students? Because it enhances our knowledge and help us to understand the common characteristics as well as the differences among different cultures. So students, in this chapter we are going to study different civilizations because it helps in increasing our knowledge as well as it helps in understanding the difference and the common features between all these cultures, the Mesopotamian civilizations, Egyptian civilizations and Chinese civilizations. So students, you can see this table also. A table is given: Mesopotamian civilizations, religions, occupations and inventions. People of Mesopotamian civilization, they worshipped basically nature in forms of many gods. They were engaged in basically agriculture, pottery, glass and cloth making occupations, and they have invented various things: multiplication, division, square and cube root. So these are the major inventions of Mesopotamian civilizations. Next one, Egyptian civilization. Mainly the people of Egyptian civilization worshipped sun god, which is also known as Ra. They also worshipped nature in the form of moon. Main occupations were agriculture and domestication of animals. And the inventions were solar calendar. So solar calendar was invented by the people of Egyptian civilization. And about Chinese civilization, students, let us see. The people of Chinese civilization mainly worshipped nature in the form of earth. basic of occupation is agriculture. They also domesticated animals. Pictographic script means using pictures in writing is the main contribution, or you can say invention, of people belonging from Chinese civilization. Paper is also one of the important invention of Chinese civilization. Calendars. So these are the important inventions of Chinese civilization. Students, the ancient civilizations of Bronze Age developed in river valleys. This we have already discussed in our last class, that these ancient civilizations, either the Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization, or Chinese civilizations, including the Indian civilization, which is also known as Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization. All these ancient civilizations were developed, flourished nearby river areas. Let us study about the ancient civilization, that is Indus Valley civilization, which is also known as Harappan culture, that existed in India and some parts of Pakistan. Now some parts of Indus Valley civilization exist in Pakistan. So students, that's all for today's class. In our next class, we will discuss Indus Valley civilization, which is also known as Harappan culture. Thank you students for attending the class. Thank you. Take care.